I am the luckiest girl in the world. I think that every day. I'm the luckiest girl in the world. It's all about color and storage and organization. On the walls, it's color coordinated Roy G. Biv. It's got pink and red, and then it goes to orange and yellow. So wherever you look in the room, there's color, and there are things that mean something to me. I don't feel like a craft expert, I just feel like someone who enjoys making things. And if I can help other people see that it's easy and they start doing it, that's it. To me, that's why I do this job. When people see my craft room, fairly often they will say to me, "Oh, you're so lucky your husband lets you do this. This pays our mortgage." So I think people find it hard to believe that there are actually people making a living this way. So to make a living doing something that I love is a miracle, really.